Have you ever wondered about how to create a pop-up based on location to boost your sales, but you thought it might be too complicated? Well, this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how you can easily create one in less than 5 minutes. Geo-targeting simply means that you're providing custom content to visitors based on their location. So you can use geo-targeting to promote your virtual events, regional sales campaigns, learn more about customers, and lots more. Location-based marketing can tell you a lot more about your target customer than just their location. Geo-targeting ensures that your customers are seeing the content that's the most relevant to their specific wants, needs, and interests based on their location. So you can display the availability of certain features or services for a particular location. You can overcome location-based barriers to buying, for example, providing expected time of delivery based on the country that a customer is living in. You can offer your customers just the right products based on their location. For example, you can offer products or services specifically designed for a particular state, region, or country. Now, these are only a few reasons why you need to use location-based marketing to connect with your potential customers. And the best part is that you can start using geo-targeting on your own site today. All you'll need to do is create a pop-up based on location with OptinMonster. Before you begin, you'll need to have an OptinMonster subscription. Now, if you don't already have a subscription and you'd like to start growing your list, leads, and sales, then you'll need to visit OptinMonster.com. We'll even help you select a subscription that's just right for you and your business. And once you've made your selection, just be sure to use the code that you see on your screen for a special discount. And to help you get off to a great start, you can learn how to quickly and easily launch your first campaign, all without the help of a coder or graphic designer. Now, to create a pop-up based on location, you'll first need to create a campaign using our very intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes building your campaign super easy. So after you've signed up for OptinMonster, you'll need to create your pop-up. To begin, you'll need to click the green Create Campaign button and select the pop-up that you'd like to use. OptinMonster has hundreds of templates available, as well as the Canvas template that allows you to build the pop-up from scratch. So for this tutorial, we'll select the magnet template. Then we'll need to name the campaign. So we'll just call it Geo-Targeting, and then we'll select the website that we'd like the campaign to load on. Now we can start building within the drag-and-drop builder. You can make any design changes that you need to the pop-up by clicking on any element on the pop-up that you'd like to change, such as a text. When you click on the element, the corresponding editor will show up on the left-hand side of the screen. For this tutorial's example, we're creating a pop-up with an ebook as a lead magnet to gain subscribers. So by way of demonstration, we'll just change the text to something like Grab Your Free Growth Hacking Tactics ebook. You can double-click on the text box to quickly edit the font size, color, text alignment, and so much more, and use the Editing Text Element menu on the left. You can also delete any elements that you don't need just by clicking the trash can icon. You can change the button text and more by using the Editing Fields Element menu. Then click on the button and decide the type of action that takes place when the form is completed successfully. Now here you'll have the option to choose from Go to View, Redirect URL, Click to Call, Close the campaign, or Reload the page. And then you can choose to display the Yes/No option or Success View on Success. Once you've created your campaign, all you'll need to do is go to the Display Rules tab at the top of the page. Then setting up targeting display rules according to location is easy. First, you'll see the If on the left-hand side of your screen, and on the right, you'll see a drop-down menu. All you'll need to do is simply click on the arrow, and you'll see a list of options: is not, is in an EU country, and is not in an EU country. So in this example, we'll choose is, and we're going to type in West Palm, and then we'll click Validate. Now you'll see a list of the locations matching the location that we've entered. So we'll just click the location that we want. All right, for now, we'll just leave the display rules alone and click Next Step. Now we'll select the campaign view that we would like to show. So we'll go to the opt-in view and click Next Step. Now we'll see the summary page. Here's where we'll check our rules and just make sure that everything is set up the way that we want. All right, next you'll need to go to the Integrations tab to connect to your email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact. And then in the Analytics tab, you can choose to use either OptinMonster's native analytics or connect to Google Analytics with just a couple of clicks. Finally, in the Publish tab, just toggle from Pause to Live and make sure to save your campaign and follow the embed instructions for your web platform. And now you've successfully added a geolocation pop-up to your website. And that's it. You'll also want to check out our handy How to Use Geo-Marketing guide by visiting the link in the description below. OptinMonster is a #1 conversion optimization toolkit, and it's backed by an unconditional 14-day money-back guarantee. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, just be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we post the next video. And in the meantime, you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using OptinMonster.